Hey there fellow underwater image makers. 2024 is quickly coming to an end, and I want to use this quiet time of the year to say thank you to each and every one of you watching, liking, commenting or interacting in any other way with my videos and the work I do. I feel blessed and so privileged to be able to do what I do, and it's all because of you and the great little community we have built here over the last couple of years. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart. It truly means the world to me. I'm looking forward to continuing this journey with you in 2025, and I can promise you some cool new things. Collaborations and projects will be announced and covered in 2025 here on the channel. But most important of all, I'll do whatever I can to keep consistently producing high quality, useful content about underwater image making for you guys. If you have any ideas or suggestions about content for 2025, let me know down in the comment section below. You guys have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you back here on the channel in 2025. And here are the promised 90 seconds of my best underwater shots of 2024. Enjoy!